Hey, hi, hello, my name is Alexis. Today we're just going to have a casual chat while I put makeup on. If at any point, I'm freezing, so if at any point I end up with a blanket on, I'm sorry. It's so cold in here. I don't know why. Anyways, yeah, I just thought we would chat about, oh, this is empty. Cool. I just thought we would chat about stuff, give you an update on the move and all of that, because obviously haven't moved yet. So yeah, we'll just chit chat. I have a cat in my lap. There's another cat in my bed. You're not gonna be able to see him. Where is he? No, you can't see him. Yeah, we're just gonna chat. I'm trying out another new foundation because I have like 8 million new foundations right now. This one is the Marc Jacobs, what is it called? Shameless foundation. We got to pick our colors and I was sent the wrong color, but we're gonna try it out and see what happens anyways. I need to check this. Like it says on the sticker, I specifically asked for Y270 and then they sent me R250. So I have a feeling I'm gonna look very pink today. So that'll be fun. Let's see what happens. Because I can always get away with being a little yellow. I can't get away with being a little pink. Oh no, that looks fine. Okay, yeah, this looks fine. Oh, blessed. So that looks good. I really like the way this looks. I don't want a lot of foundation and stuff on today. Like, I don't want a lot of coverage or anything. For concealer, I'm using, which one is this? The Airbrush concealer from Boi-ing. This is in the shade 2. I'm just going to use my finger. And I'm just going to pat it on. I cannot be bothered to use a brush as of late for my concealers. I'm going to set under my eyes real quick, but not do the rest of my face yet because I want to do some cream contour and bronzer. And I'm going to use the cream contour kit from Anastasia. First I'm going to take light Sculpt and contour with that. So a quick update on our moving situation. So when my aunt and I went to go look at the house, it was like a disaster zone. Like the people who were in it like looked like they left in a hurry. So that was that. And like, you know, we knew that it was going to be like cleaned and stuff before we got to move in, but whatever. So the lady who actually owns the house, she lives in the city, she works for hospice. It's hard for her to like get upstate, even though we're not really like that upstate, to like see the house and stuff. So she finally came up and looked at it and was like, well, this looks awful. So she's gonna fix it up, like extra fix it up. So now we can't move in until like the 15th. So that's where that is. Like, yeah, the house is gonna be like all fixed up and stuff and it'll be like nice and blah 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 whatever, but like I just want to move. I just want to move and be done with it. I hate moving. I hate moving. I just want to like take all my crap and go. That's all I want to do. I ask for so little. So yeah, we're not moving just yet. So the 15th of September is when we'll be able to move in, hopefully. So we'll see about that. So I'm going to take this one. I've never used this one before. This one is Havana. I'm going to use that to bronze. Because normally I use Java, but sometimes I was about to tap off my brush. Sometimes I think Java is just too cool. So I'm going to try Havana. Yeah, I like that a little bit better. Okay. But yeah, so that's the update. We'll be moving middle of September. I start school on the 10th also of September. I'm going to beauty school. That's it. I think that's all I got. So yeah, lots of things changing. So we're moving closer to like my job because I commute like 45, 50-ish minutes to and from. So we'll be a little closer, so that'll be nice. And then so I'll go to work during the day and then go to school at night. So yep, that's it. That's all I got. Oop, Peanut left us. Rude. everyone's like, oh, are you excited to go to school? And I'm like, it's like, yeah, I'm excited, but also I had a realization that I'll never be in my house ever again. Basically, I will always be out, either at work or at school. So I'm still gonna try and keep doing 2 uploads a week, but I'll have to see what happens, because I'm just not gonna have the time anymore. But I'm gonna try, because I love me some YouTube. A little bit more bronzer. Whoops! Picked up too much. Just blend it. Just blend it. Now I can powder the rest of my face. Alright, doing my eyebrows. It's just my Goof Proof from Benefit. Do I have anything else to talk about? I don't know. First I was complaining that I was cold, and now I'm getting hot. Oh, my body can't regulate temperature. There is something that I have to talk about, but I don't want to talk about it because it's supposed to be a surprise for somebody, and I don't know who all knows about the surprise. Like, I know one person who knows about it because obviously somebody had to tell me about the surprise. So, but one person knows about it, but I don't want to like say anything and then it gets back to people who aren't supposed to know about the surprise. So I have a surprise, or I guess I'm part of a surprise. I don't have a surprise, I'm part of a surprise. Which sounds weird, but I cannot further explain for fear that I'm going to ruin the surprise. So maybe like later, like much later, I'll be able to like tell you more about it. We'll see. I'm priming my eyes with my Pro Prime. I'm literally just going to use one eyeshadow. I have one single eyeshadow from NARS that I want to use, so I'm going to just do that today. Because I just can't be bothered today, guys. So this is the eyeshadow, what does it say? Dual Intensity eyeshadow. This one is in the shade Phoebe. I love me some purple. Oh, this eyeshadow is just so pretty. I feel like I had one of these. I had like a duo and it didn't do anything for me, but maybe because this is kind of like a darker color. There, now you can see it. Maybe because it's a darker color, it'll like do something. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. I'm going to try and do this first with like a buffing brush or like a blending brush. So, because I just kind of want it all over. So I'm just picking it up and focusing it on the lid and then blending into the crease. Yeah, that worked fine. And I'm just going to take that same brush only because I don't want to switch brushes. I just run it on the bottom. The next step I'm going to do off camera, I'm going to put black liner, my tight line, and my waterline, curl my lashes, apply mascara, and then I'll be right back. So here are the eyes done. I like it. I like this eyeshadow. Really like easy, one step, like night out kind of eyeshadow. Yeah, let's just finish off the face. I don't have to contour bronze because I already did that. I'm just going to use, I almost don't want to put blush on. I will. Okay. I'm just going to use, geez, I'm falling apart. What is this? Mood Exposure. Oh, Beans is back on the bed. I didn't even know he came back. The cat's name is Peanut, but I call him Beans. Dean was over last night. Deans and Beans. Ah! Oh my god, that's hilarious. I just thought of that right now. Dean was over last night. Anyways. And Peanut slept in the bed with us. And my cat Jezebel, who is currently in my lap. She slept with us too. So at one point, all 4 of us were in my bed together. I don't know how we all fit, but we didn't really fit. That's how that happened. But yeah, we were all in the bed together. Peanut's been acting funny lately. He's been sleeping under my desk and stuff. But I think he likes Dean, which is why he slept in the bed with us. Anyways, highlighting. I'm just using Moonstone from Becca. Down my nose and piling it onto the Cupid stuff. Need more. A little more. Okay. for lip, I have this one. I think this was part of the Erdem collection. NARS and Erdem or whatever. I had the with the lip palette thing that I did recently. This is from that collection. This doesn't have a lid, but it's okay. But it's a really pretty purple, and this one is called Larkspur. So here's the finished look. I like that the eyes are kind of dark enough that it's not competing with how bright the lip is. But I really like this look. I really like how this turned out. So that's it. That's all I have for you today. I will leave in the description how the foundation wore, since this is my first time wearing it. So I'll let you know in the description how this looks by the end of the night. Because I have to close tonight, so I'll be home late. But yeah, I like how this turned out. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!